Hi everyone, welcome back to Top Compared. Today, I will be introducing to you the best Cat8 Ethernet cable for gaming. The craze of online games skyrocketed, as it allowed you to compete against a real player. While Wi-Fi has become so powerful, connections can still get interrupted by any clashing frequency. The speed also gets reduced if multiple connections link to the same Wi-Fi network, and as a gamer you will get annoyed or frustrated due to high ping and desync. An Ethernet cable is still a reliable option, and all modern workstations and gaming laptops include an RJ45 LAN port. So have a look at the video, and find the product links in the description box below. The first product we have is the DbillionDa Cat8 Ethernet cable. It can handle up to 40 gigabits per second smoothly, and is 4 times faster than the Cat7 cables. It comes in 14 different lengths, starting from 3 feet, and the most extended cable up to 150 feet. The wire is double shielded, and comes with upgraded PVC material. You can use this cable with the following Cat ports: Cat7, Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6e. The second product we have is the Dacrown Cat8 Ethernet cable. It is a high-performance Ethernet cable covered with 3 layers of protection, ensuring reliable output and durability. You can use it outdoors as well. The wire is anti-freeze, weatherproof, waterproof, and tensile resistant. It operates at a 2 GHz frequency, which enables higher bandwidth, and is the best option for gaming. It features a gold-plated RJ45 connector, which works perfectly with servers, TV, gaming laptop. The third product we have is the Orbram Cat8 Ethernet cable. It is a braided Ethernet cable that is much more robust than a simple cable, and is suitable for rough use. In comparison to Cat7 network Ethernet cable, this cable comes with the improved quality of the signal. The cable has a flat design to reduce the hurdle of solving tangling, and it helps save space. It supports all the latest generation devices, like a workstation, smart TV, gaming laptop. The fourth product we have is the UGREEN Cat8 Ethernet cable. It supports up to 2 GHz of bandwidth, on which you can do online streaming, and play games simultaneously. It works with various devices. You can use it with PS5, Xbox, laptop, home-build PC. The cable has options in length, and if you are looking for an affordable and reliable option. It features a braided wire, with a bending lifespan of more than 10,000 times. The final product we have is the Diigotech Cat8 Ethernet cable. The cable uses quality PVC cable to improve durability, and the outer surface will not wear for a long time. The gold-plated cable on both ends offers better heat conductivity, and is resistant to oxidation. It is a Cat8 Ethernet cable, but it is backward compatible with Cat5, 6 and 7. The cable is flat, so you can wrap it up quickly, and eliminate the tangling issue forever. We suggest going for DbillionDa Cat8 Ethernet cable. You get lots of options in length, and the cable supports modern networks. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you loved it, leave a like and a comment. Also, subscribe to our channel for more such stuff.